Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked. Can you play Spotify on your Apple Watch without your iPhone? Whether you're heading out for a run, hitting the gym, or you just want to leave your phone behind, we've got the answers, so let's dive right in. The very short answer is yes, you can play Spotify on your Apple Watch without your iPhone, but there are some requirements and limitations to be aware of. To make this work, here's what you will need: an Apple Watch Series 3 or later, running Watch OS 6.0 or higher, a Spotify premium account, Bluetooth headphones or earbuds connected to your watch, a Wi Fi or cellular connection for streaming, or pre downloaded content for offline playback. So, there are two main ways to enjoy Spotify on your Apple Watch without your iPhone. The first is through streaming. If you have a cellular enabled Apple Watch, you can stream music directly from the watch using a cellular connection. Second is offline playback. You can download playlists and podcasts to your watch for offline listening, perfect for workout or when you're away from Wi Fi. Now, here are the steps for you to download Spotify music to your watch. First, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. Second, navigate to the playlist or podcast you want to download. Third, tap the three dots horizontally and select Download to Apple Watch. Wait for the download to complete, and it's best to keep your watch on its charger during the process. Once downloaded, open Spotify on your watch, go to Downloads, and you're ready to listen. If you have a cellular Apple Watch, you can stream Spotify directly from the watch without your iPhone. Ensure your watch has an active cellular connection and your Bluetooth headphones are paired. Note that some users have reported issues with streaming, such as the watch prompting to connect to the iPhone. If you encounter this, try initiating playback directly from the Spotify app on your watch, not from your iPhone. Keep in mind though that Spotify Premium is required for offline playback. Spotify free users can control playback on other devices but cannot stream or download music directly to the watch. Some features like searching for specific songs may be limited on the watch interface. So, to wrap it up, yes, you can enjoy Spotify on your Apple Watch without your iPhone, provided that you have the right setup. And that's it.